In this video, we are going to look at algebraic processes or algebraic process. Alright, we are going to look at the concept of a linear equation. But first of all, let's ask, what is an equation? What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement that shows equality between two expressions Next, now what's a linear equation? A linear equation is a mathematical statement that contains only term in one variable and constant, and the highest power of the variable is 1, and the highest power of the variable is 1. Right, is 1. Next line, we can say the left hand side always equals the right hand side of the equation. Alright, let's see an example of an equation. Example of an equation. So we have something like 2x plus 6 is equal to 16. We have something like, let's say 3x minus 9 is equal to 4x minus 25. So an example. So next, also have example as, let's say 3 into y plus 2 is equal to 8y plus 10, something like this. That's an example. Alright, I'm going to solve these 3 examples. So we have solution, So next, we can say the first equation is 2x plus 6 is equal to 16. Next, this is 2x is equal to 16 negative 6. That is, if 6 moves to the other side, becomes negative. So we have 2x is equal to 16 minus 6 is 10. Next, we divide both sides by 2. So I have 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 over 2, and x is equal to 5 as my answer. So if you want to see me solve the remaining two questions, check me my next video.